Okay, so what's up guys, welcome to another unboxing video, and what we have here is the Nokia C30. So this is an entry-level device from HMD Global, the makers of Nokia phones, and this device was unveiled back in July alongside the Nokia XR20, the rugged 5G phone from Nokia. We also saw the company unveil another feature phone in the same day that they were calling the Nokia C30 2020. And now HMD is making the Nokia C30 available in the Kenyan market for 14,490. So yes, this is the packaging we have, and of course the phone that we're going to be unboxing in this video. So we have some Nokia C30 branding, splashed right here. Then of course again we have the Nokia, the 2 years security update promise that HMD Global always promises on Nokia phones right here. At the top of this package, of course we have the Nokia C30 text right here, the Nokia logo, of course the Android logo, and some images of the Nokia C30 right there. At the back, you have some specs related here. A 6.82 HD display, that's a huge phone. We are getting a 6,000 milliampere battery, massive, and a 13 megapixels rear camera, and the selfie camera is 5 megapixels. Yeah, of course we're gonna be looking, at these specs later on, but for now let's go ahead and unbox the Nokia C30 and try to show you a few things, basically show you what you're getting in this box. Yep, there you go, and the first thing is the huge Nokia C30. Okay, this is a big phone. It's a huge phone, 6.82 inches. We have some product and safety info right here. We also have them in Swahili. Further in the box, we have, again, this case. Then we have the charging brick right here. Then we have a pair of earphones, then a USB, the standard USB cable. Remember, this is an entry-level device, so there's really not much to expect. So yes, so let's go ahead and power on this device. I'm gonna do the setup offline, but again, try to show you what you're getting with the specs and all the other features you are getting. But basically, this is it. That's what you get in the box. Whoa, okay, this is a big phone. Yeah, so let me power on the device, and then I'm gonna be back in a sec to basically show you what you are getting, try to explain the features, and yeah, and all other things you might need to know about the Nokia C30. Yeah, so here's the thing, I haven't been able to power on the device because straight out of the box looks like the battery is 0. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just basically show you what we have here. So we have the camera set up there. I remember, as I said, the there's a 13 megapixels camera right there. Then we have the fingerprint scanner right there at the back. We have the flash, some Nokia branding right here at the back again. Then we have the power button right here. Then we have the volume buttons, again the up and down volume button right here. At the front here we have the Nokia logo right there at the bottom. At the top we have the selfie camera, which is 5 megapixels. The earpiece is right there. These are 6.82 inch display. Again, as I said, this is a big phone. The last time actually we unboxed a big phone like this was with an Infinix phone just the other week. Yeah. The left here is completely empty. Then right here at the bottom we have the USB port. Yeah. So basically that's what you get this for this short, quick unboxing video of the Nokia C30. We're going to be working on the full review coming up in a few weeks. So we're going to be sharing all the details, including what you need to know about the specs, the internals, and I'm also going to be sharing a link to the spec sheet that we've done on the blog in the description section. Remember, as I said, this phone is currently available in the market for 14,490. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one.